Hey guys, Dotson Geis here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to showcase our 2020 Scout 235 XSF that we just received in. This model's new to us last year, has just gone leaps and bounds as far as what the industry standards are going. Everybody's loving it. You can tell from this very unique forward bow, this is where everybody wants to hang out. And this is a center console, keep that in mind. Very large lounges on both port and starboard. I'm 6 foot, plenty of leg room on both sides. Dry storage and clean built-in insulated storage boxes. We have the anchor locker with tension hinges to hold that up from slamming our little kids' fingers. We have the optional bow rod or bow cup holder rod holders. So you can also do an optional bow shade, use those access points for your stanchions. We have the lounge in front of the console. This is probably the most iconic selling feature of this one. But with this big lounge, added cup holders and lit glove box over here on both port and starboard, you get a huge finished locker. This is insulated. You can see the insulation on this lid alone. All of that box is insulated, so it's a fish box. It's plumbed, and it's got a pump to pump it overboard. So a place for everybody's bags. We'll walk you back here to the console. And as we walk you back, we'll show you the integrated windshield. This is a Lexan, but it goes all the way up almost to the top there, just allow enough airflow around so you don't get too hot, but as well it keeps the maintenance and as well as most of that weather off of you. We've got the standard leaning post in this one with flip bolsters with port and starboard, fiberglass shell with the rod holders and cup holders built in, and our igloo cooler down below. At our helm, they've done a very unique job of using all the spaces. Everybody on the center console throws their stuff on top of the console. Well, why not give it a spot for it with traction pad from SeaDeck, USB charger ports, 12-volt charging port, but as well as gives secondary in your lockable glove box. So you have that again. The standard electronics is a Garmin 942. This is integrated all of your engine display, but as well as your fusion data, all that fun stuff built in network together. Accent lights, blue rope lighting all the way throughout with a dimmer switch. Standard fusion stereo head unit with Bluetooth. We do have the optional JL audio speakers, so we've upgraded those from the fusion base. Standard trim tabs. We've done the indicator switch here. We do have the Yamaha 250, which is the standard horsepower and the digital mechanical shifting. Tiltable helm with the Edson steering wheel with the rubber back and the steering knob. Looking up, it's a standard hardtop. We've done the optional storage bag and as well as rocket launchers on the hardtop. But if you see this very unique design, they've incorporated the spreader lights into that framework as well as in the bow as well as the aft. In the transom, we do have rod storage in the both sides of the gunnels, port and starboard. We have systems access down here in the bilge. Easy access to get to your stern anchors, pumps, fuel water separators. Long term makes it easy for your serviceability. The built-in seat in the back, nice high back, very wide, accommodate 2, maybe 3 with a kid. You can see how effortless it is to move everything with these overdone hinges and latches. We have the standard live well in the port corner here in the transom, pop-up cleats, but as well as a Fender Pro mount. So those are quick disconnects for your fenders to be stowed and proper. We have a walk-through transom on the starboard side, but as we kind of come around, we'll show you this huge platform. So Scout's integrated no splash well in the transom, so it allows you to move when the engine's in the down position a little simpler, to and from both port and starboard. Great for the kids jumping off the back, but as well as going from each side to docking. We do have raw water and fresh water on this particular boat with the porcelain head in the console. If you guys take a look at the photos, you'll see this one is in the standard white, but a beautiful boat with the white powder coat and the white hardtop. Thanks again. This is Dotson with MarineMax Charleston. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach us out at 843-747-1889. And again, thank you for watching.